Alright, here we are. We have the my name is Peter Harvath, and here I'm going to be showing you how to work these two tanks. The first tank right here is the one, the red wire. It's the settling. So now when you do start, you do a quarter turn to start. Then you do another quarter turn on top of that. So you've got your first turn to start the PSI. Another turn there. Now I'm going to turn the red knob here. This. You're going to want to get the settling up to 7 or an 8. Okay. And it's at an 8 right now, 7 or 8. So, settling will combust automatically at 25 psi. So that's why when you see the red right here, it shows the how much psi there's in it. So you never want to go beyond that 15 psi mark ever. That's why we have it at the 7 or 8. Now, with the oxygen tank here, that's the bigger one always. You're going to make sure that you open it all the way. So, there you go. The oxygen tank's open all the way. I'm going to... oh, it's been opened already. Yeah, it's been open. We need to turn that back a little. So, hopefully with what I'm about to do here. Okay, there we go. Now, with the oxygen tank, the amount of PSI that you want to have is about 25 to 30 is the amount that you want to have. That's the ideal range. You don't have to be perfect or specific. Alright, so that's how you would get these two tanks set up here. I'm going to cut it off here, and on the next part of the video I'll connect the two videos here, and I'll be showing how to cut with the cutter over here. So this right here is the cutter. So it's not about 2 hands length roughly. So I'm going to cut it here.
And
okay, this is the continuation of the video, and here we're going to be just doing a simple cut right here on this metal sheet. So just a straight line. There's two things that you want to make sure you have. You want to have your welding gloves, and you want to have your safety goggles. These are class 5 if I remember correctly. They're shades. So good. Now, first thing that we're going to do is the oxygen here is turned all the way on, and the oxygen right here is what we're going to be using later on. This is what we're going to be using to control it, and this right here is the settling. With the settling, we're only going to start off with just barely enough. This right here is the striker, and hoop. You're going to need more fire, a little more fire than that. There you go. There you go. Now, as you can see, there's a feather there. So you want to avoid that. That's too much heat right there altogether. And with that, you simply add oxygen and it'll phase it out just fine. Now we're going to apply oxygen. Again, you got another feather right there. You want to just apply more oxygen to it and fix it all together. So the next step thing that you're going to be doing is when you're making a cut, you're going to make sure you heat up one side. That's how you would get it done. When you're turning the cutter off, always cut it off with the acetylene first. This cuts off all the gas coming out of it, cuts the fire off. Just a safety concern first. And that is everything for this video.